Have you ever wished the wrinkles, fine lines and sagging would simply disappear for good? Then you must see this. A top Yale-educated dermatologist shows how to reclaim the beautiful skin of a much younger woman in record time, without spending thousands on procedures, painful treatments, and the inconvenience of recovery times. This dermatologist discovered a natural way to help the skin glow with youth in next to no time at all. Did you know that your wrinkles, fine lines, and turkey neck may have absolutely nothing to do with your age, genetics, or lifestyle? French scientists discovered a surprising link between what makes us look years older than we really are and a toxic aging protein, which causes rapid aging in children. Their studies showed that the very same aging protein that ages the kids ages us prematurely too. We all have this toxic aging protein in our skin. If you've been obsessing over your wrinkles and saggy areas for months now, chances are you have massive levels of this aging accelerator in your skin, and it's quietly been building up for years. That's why no amount of collagen, or any high-end cream, has changed your skin in ways that anyone really notices. The truth is, you'll probably have to reduce levels of this toxic aging protein to enjoy the kind of transformation that astonishes your friends and family. And this breakthrough discovery can help you do just that by getting to what is likely the real reason your skin is wrinkled, saggy, and dull. This new, simple remedy can bring back the kind of dreamy, soft skin you had in your 20s. It doesn't matter if you're 40, 50, 60, or even into your 70s now. And it doesn't matter if your elderly skin has been around for months, years, or even decades. Countless women say this works like crazy. This one, almost effortless remedy is so amazing that women who used to happily spend tens of thousands of dollars with their surgeon are choosing this new trend instead. Over 200,000 women, just like you, are already using it and feel like they're abandoning the aging process as they watch their newly revived skin take years off their appearance. It's so powerful because it targets the root cause of wrinkles and sagging that most so-called experts never talk about. So stop everything you're doing and click or tap the link below to watch a short, free, special report that'll show you exactly how you can begin using this method starting today. Remember, this is nothing like anything else the beauty industry has to offer. It's a unique approach to looking years younger in every way, and it can work to erase wrinkles, smooth out any fine lines and firm your loose, saggy neck. Just look at 65-year-old Amy. She was buying product after product, trying everything to find some confidence in the way she looked, but nothing worked. She felt lonelier and lonelier every time she looked in the mirror. However, soon after she tried this new, easy remedy, she was astonished by the results. In a few short weeks, she was shocked to see that the wrinkles that used to leave her paralyzed in time were now gone, and the droopy skin that caused no end of embarrassment had disappeared too. Look at her now. She has no reason to hide away from the world or feel anything other than confident and strong in her own skin. So click or tap the link below and watch this short, free wrinkle reversing demonstration video now before it's gone for good. If it worked for Amy and thousands like her, who haven't liked their skin for years, then imagine what it can do for you.